Bitcoin has been forming these multiple trend reversal patterns, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how I'll be trading this. And let's also take a quick look with axis and understand kung hanggang saan ba tayo abot at kung magkaroon ng pullback, paano ba natin ma-determine yung kanyang pullback. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So previously, I've been sharing you multiple emergency trades signals sa ating Telegram, Facebook, and Discord group as we have been forming these multiple trend reversal patterns. And napakahalaga nitong movement kasi as you can see, itong mga small movements like this, pwede natin ma-maximize yung mga kanyang small opportunities dito like this 2% move and then this another 2% move, halos 2%. So these pump and dump actions, to be honest, lahat to ay puro noise. Pero we can still maximize these movements and I'll be showing you how I'm going to trade this. So take note, this is a very risky move kasi this is a pump dump movement for the Bitcoin price and it will play more likely around this area for the following days, not as long as we are still inside these support and resistances. Pero yeah, you could make some opportunities with this. But this is, take note, this is a risky move. So if you're an experienced trader, you could trade this. Pero if baguhan ka, what I would suggest to you is you could try to learn and understand these movements using different patterns. So ganito yung movement na nangyayari ngayon. So previously, meron tayong nag-form na inverse head and shoulders. So, ayun, inverse head and shoulders. And then we broke to the upside. And then after that, nagkaroon naman tayo ng next action which is head and shoulders naman, which is a trend reversal to the downside. Ngayon, ano ba yung next movement niya? So as you can see, we are now also forming this double bottom pattern. So if this breaks to the upside, this would mean we could get a trend reversal of up until 34.1 or alas 34.2k siya almost. So yeah, 34.2k. So you could trade this if we get a candle close and a confirmation. So kailangan niya palagi ng volume kasi tingnan mo, every time na nagkakaroon tayo ng breakout, kaya nagiging confirm siya. Ayan no. Meron kasi tayong volume na nagpo-form. Ayan no, volume. This one, nagkaroon din ng volume. So mahalaga na magkaroon palagi ng volume during a breakout. And if hindi siya nagkaroon ng volume, I would suggest na wag mo papasukan ng trade. Wag ka mag-trade unless walang confirmation kasi kung walang confirmation, dun ka more likely masusunugan if let's say nag-pump siya bigla tapos nag-pump siya ng todo tapos hindi naman siya nagkaroon ng volume, that would more likely not confirm the movement. So what I'll be doing personally is pag nagkakaroon tayo ng mga ganyang pump na or dump na may confirmation, dun ako more likely mag-enter ng trade. So, ito, in-enter ko yung trade nito. So, nakuha natin to. And this one, kagabi, which is a very emergency trade kasi late natin din siya nakita. So, right now, you could actually trade these multiple patterns and possible na pwede tayo mag-form ng ibang patterns like this next pattern na possibly forming. So, this could be another pattern na nagpo-form and this is more likely a bearish pattern which is a rising wedge. So, you could say na this is moving something like this. So a bear so this rising wedge can be an indication of a bearish pattern. So this would mean na magkakaroon tayo ng major trend reversal to the downside if nagkaroon tayo ng breakout confirmation within this rising wedge. So this would mean the Bitcoin price would more likely play around this area, which makes sense din kasi it is actually playing within those pump and dump movement. So if nangyari yun, pwede tayo mag-dump. Pero there's still no confirmation for that to happen kasi masyado pang malaki yung move and masyado pang maaga to determine that. So for me, ang best option talaga for now is to look at these pump and dump movements na pwede natin ma-determine using these trend reversal patterns. And if gusto mo matutunan yung mga trend reversals patterns like this, I actually have a video. So this is how to trade crypto patterns for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins. And if you want to learn patterns like this, kung paano ba siya pina-play out, you could actually check this video down below. May playlist link ako ng Crypto 101 and kasama itong video doon sa playlist na yun. So you could check that one out and then you could trade at those patterns. And yeah, I don't think na we're going to see a decisive move dito. So it will more likely have these pump and dump movements for the next few hours. Not unless magkaroon tayo ng breakout from this movement dito sa ating mga moving averages. So matagal na natin siya fina-follow. So ayun na may mga moving averages tayo na tinitingnan. So in the 4-hour time frame, need mong i-check from time to time kung nagkakaroon ba tayo ng breakout dito sa mga moving averages natin. Kasi kung nagkaroon, this would more likely give us another or different movement for the Bitcoin price. And yeah, sa ngayon wala pa tayong breakout sa kahit anong moving averages. So ito yung mga ita-trade ko personally na areas which is yung mga small pump and dump movements dito sa ating smaller time frame charts. And you could actually do the 15-minute time frame dito kasi ayun na makikita mo yung mga movement niya din. So either way, you could still play out these movements kasi these are these are just all basically noise. And remember na kailangan mo palagi ng confirmation palagi if you want to trade signals like this. So yun nga, volume, volume, and then sa ngayon wala pang volume, and then these are the patterns. And now let's take a quick look naman kay Axis. So kay Axie Infinity Coin, we have been seeing this major move, pero ito na yung kinakatakutan natin na mag-form, which is itong increasing price and then declining RSI. And that would indicate na a correction is bound to happen anytime soon. So if I were you, I would start taking profits. And I've been mentioning to you this since few days ago pa kasi nga very overbought na tayo and marami na tayong bearish signals for Axie. So ano ba yung kailangan niyo i-watch out dito? And ito pa rin yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, kailangan niyo i-watch out itong 20 moving average kay 4-hour time frame. So of course, this could still go up. So pwede siya magkaroon ng bounce. So pag nangyari yon, pwede siya mag-bounce pa and it would further continue this movement ng Axie. Pero at the same time, yung RSI natin will still continue to decline kung nangyari yung mga ganong movement. So this is a very dangerous move na for Axie Infinity. So I would not suggest to enter at this trade. So yeah, to summarize this, you could look at the 4-hour time frame and understand kung hanggang saan ba tayo babagsak. Pero if you're going to look closely at the early time frame, the 20, 50, and 100 are showing you some signs kung saan tayo more likely magpo-pull back, which is yung short-term movement natin would be the 20 moving average. And if na-break natin siya, of course, it would be bearish. And then yung kailangan natin tingnan is yung 50. As makikita mo, doon tayo nagkakaroon ng support for 50. And then if na-break natin yung 50, doon tayo more likely na diretso kay 100 moving average, which is ayan nga nangyari. So this is our first test ng moving average. And I personally think this would test the 100 moving average anytime soon kasi very overbought na. And if na-break natin to because of the bearish divergence, we could go down possibly to the 200 moving average for Axie Infinity. So this is what you should be checking out for Axie. And yeah, be cautious in trading this kasi very overbought na and very risky na siya, especially FOMO na masyado yung trades dito kasi panic trades, panic buy na lahat to eh. So, yeah, ingat lang kayo dito sa area na to. So, yeah, and to summarize, if experienced trader ka, you could trade this. And this is of course not a financial advice, pero if newbie ka and gusto mo talaga malaman yung mga ganitong movements, you could actually try to follow this and siguro gawin mo lang short exercise, quick exercise kung paano mo siya itingnan. Pwede mo din kasi ma-determine baka may ibang pattern pala nagpo-form dito like ito. Pwedeng magkaroon ng symmetric triangle dyan. So, ayun, nagde-decline nga tayo ngayon as of this video. So, yeah, what I would suggest to you is use this time as opportunity to learn these patterns and siguro wag ka muna magte-trade if hindi mo talaga kaya kasi take note, very risky nga yung movement. So, ayun guys, if you find this video informative, please give this video a like and if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.